Never let your current position define your future. Greatness can come from anywhere, even from the humblest of beginnings. What matters is hunger for growth and the courage to learn when no one is watching.
Feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
The janitor who became a legend. At a prestigious university, a janitor named Sam worked quietly every night. He swept the floors, emptied the trash, and polished the halls. Students rushed past him, barely noticing his presence. But Sam had a secret mission. He was listening. He loved education, but never had the chance to attend college. So while mopping floors, he absorbed lectures through open classroom doors. Over the years, he self-studied, borrowing discarded books and notes. Eventually, professors noticed his curiosity and offered to mentor him. Decades later, Sam was invited to teach part-time. His knowledge was so deep, his lectures so inspiring, that he became one of the most respected professors on campus. Never let your current position define your future. Greatness can come from anywhere, even from the humblest of beginnings. What matters is hunger for growth and the courage to learn when no one is watching.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.
If Denzel Washington's words inspired you today, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more wisdom, motivation, and powerful lessons in the upcoming videos. Until next time, keep the faith, keep pushing, and remember the greatness within you.